To add a Discovered credit card to your Cash App, start by opening the app and logging into your account. Next, click on the profile icon located at the top of your screen, which will direct you to your profile page. From there, look for the Link Bank option and click on it. Then, select the Link Debit Card option and enter the required information, including your card number, expiration date, CVV number, and zip code. After submitting this information, click the Link Card button to complete the process. If this method is unsuccessful, you can try selecting the No Card option, which will prompt you to link the bank account associated with your Discovered credit card. Once your bank account is linked, you will be able to use your Discovered credit card with the Cash App.